responsive and animation. Here is a responsive card and animated, flip animated. Let's see, I have already opened here HTML and CSS file and browser side in sidebar also I have opened browser. So first I have add a link, a CSS link, and second I am linking JavaScript. I am linking Bootstrap CSS. I use Bootstrap only. I made a grid. Okay. Now come here, guys. Also, I will provide you a source code. Here is CSS. I am removing body text from CSS class. Now first I took section, div, add one class, container. Now again div, add here some row, next add div and add here class, call md12, and div I adding h1 and put the here heading tag. Now again I take another div, add a class one row. Now add another div, add here is class call md4 because I need to 4 column, so that I use 4. Now again I add one div class inner box. Now inner one div also add here is one class, give here is name is front. Now I am taking here is some text like a heading, account services name. Now I am adding image tag and adding here icons, images, to give here path, image path. Now alert. Now I'm add here is p tag, put the here is some description. Now it is a front div. Okay, now I'm take another div, name give a back, class name is back, and here I in div add one button tag, and button tag give here read more, comes in CSS part, and a section background color, and giving background color, padding top bottom 5 em and 0. Okay, section, because I am not adding section class, so first I add section class. Now come here, can you see here is showing spacing top bottom, right? So I am adding padding 0, margin 0. Now add section. Now I am giving h1, text alignment, font size, and margin bottom, and font bed it's 100, but font size showing is very small, so I want to increase the font size. And line height, I adjust line height 100%. Okay, now text transform, capitalize. Now inner box, in inner box I give here one, in inner box in front, right, front I add a front layer related CSS background color. I'm choosing white. Can you see? And again I adding padding. Okay, now I want to remove 4-side padding. Okay, now I want to increase the margin bottom because I want to between heading and box, in between I want to spacing. Now H1 heading I am giving font size to Arial. Now font weight 700 and the color I'm changing light, little bit light of dark. Now again I'm giving here one class inner box border radius. Okay, I did a spelling mistake front, so we should change the front spelling. Now is fine inner, but I want to one more div. I want to wrap one class in card. I'm closing here. Now I give the style to card, perspective 100 pixel. Now in box in front and back, and changing here class name back. Now position absolute, back face visibility hidden, text transform 0.5 second. Now transform style preserve happen 3D. Now card over inner, I am giving here mouse over effect, transform rotate Y 180 degree. Okay, now I want to remove. Okay, over effect is working. No, position absolute, top, bottom, left, right 0. Okay, now display block. Okay, now removing here. I'm adding here with the height 100%. I'm giving here color. I want to check it's working up properly or not. Working is properly. Yes. Now I'm removing padding. I'm adding here both. It will be work front and back. Now I'm changing here display flex direction, row. Now no need, I want to column. Okay, but font icon image it should be big, right? But I need to actual size, so then I'm justify center item flex. I'm adding here is flex wrap. It's come here actual. Okay, can you see it's working fine? Now I'm changing another color, another blue. Okay, now I want to format button. The border 2 pixel solid white. Okay, not so. I'm giving here background color, display block, background color transparent, padding top bottom 1 rem and left right 2. Now cursor pointer, I'm adding increasing font size 1 rem and color I change white text color. Okay, I need to increase the padding and font size also. Now okay, it's fine. Okay, border radius is not showing, so that the thing I am adding here. Now I am giving here mouse over color, mouse over effect, border red. I am changing some different color and again transition all 0.3 second easy. Okay, now background also I'm adding here some background color. It will be same color code, right? It look good. Now I'm increasing border radius 2 pixels, adding here border radius. Left right padding adding. Now I need also increase left right padding. Okay, I want to spacing, adding in box in between. Now again copy and paste. Can you see it's not looking properly, it's coming overlay, right? It will be not adjusted here.